Hi everyone, this is Hanzala, and today we are going to be taking a look into BOM. So what does BOM stand for? BOM means Bill of Materials. In software, it's a list of all components that make up an application. And how does this help? Well, this helps with the vulnerability management. So for example, if we know any image that we are currently using or any application that we are using has any dependencies that have any issues, this will point it out to us. This is also good for critical for license compliance and audits. What is the SPDX format? This is a standard format for sharing bill of materials. Let's get started on the question. The question asks us to generate an SPDX-JSON SBOM of this image and store it in this location. And to do so, we need to use BOM, and we can get BOM up and running by following these instructions. So we're going to copy and paste. This may take a minute. So now that we've got it installed, let me exit out of this. And if I do BOM, so it is installed. So what we want to do here is we're going to use the documentation, and it's going to say we want to generate the next command, and it's going to help us create SPDX SBOMs. So we're going to follow that, and we'll do -- help again. Let's see what it says. Okay, so what we need to do now is we can specify the image. So if we do -I and the name of the image that we want to use, copy and paste this here. And then the second thing is we need this in the JSON format. So if we have a look over here, it says -- format, and we can include JSON. So if we do -- format JSON, and then the next part is we need to store it over here so we can use the output over here path to where the document is going to be written to. So we'll do -- output, and then all we need to do is copy and paste this and store it over here. So let's give this a run. Okay, and now we can check this, and we can see that it's in a JSON format with this, and we see it's been created. So that should be it for this question. If we do end exam, so while this is loading up, give us a like and subscribe if you found this useful, and drop a comment below for any feedback or any questions you have. And there you go, that's all done. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video.